Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to paste in Blockbench. Pasting is useful when reusing copied parts to speed up your modeling workflow. First, make sure you've already copied a cube, mesh, or group. You can do this using Ctrl+C or the right-click copy option. To paste, press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. The pasted object will appear in the same position as the original. You can paste multiple times to quickly duplicate the same object. You can also use Paste in the Paint tab to duplicate a texture, like this. And that's how to paste in Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.